Bake with me.
The measurements will be in the description below.
Baking powder and any other powder should be mixed together.
Whisk till the yolk and egg white become foamy. Start adding flour bit by bit. Add and mix thoroughly.
Flour to the base for easy removal of the cake after baking. Put the cake batter inside cake pan and shake.
Cover the pot tightly.
20 minutes later. Cover the pot and check back 5–10 minutes later. Our cake is ready and soft. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos.